now. I'm gonna get lost in the water right now.
Eh.
All right, are you ready?
If you like, enter and don't come out.
All right, let's go.
Oh my goodness, somebody's still let it out.
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So we are setting up the 15-foot by 42 inches pool, the Bestway power steel. So hopefully the line and everything is durable. We weren't sure if we wanted a big pool like that, so we're gonna use one. So if we like it, we can get a different shape one next year or a bigger one. Hubby and
Uncle and Daddy.
Yes, uncle and daddy. Uncle and daddy are setting it up while mommy will be the camera woman as usual. And how are we prepping this? We decided to just, lawn the grass, cut the grass, and then put the lightweight top. We wanted to get the heavyweight, but we're going to get 19 by 19 feet, and then we just put this on top. We wanted to get the sand. My husband said the sand will be so much. We need a lot of sand to do that. So we're just doing it like that for now and see how it goes, and then hopefully we'll properly prep the ground next year. Hit the subscribe button and let's get started. Okay, so these are the what do you call this one? So we're putting the frame anchor down to the back. By the way, this is the power steel, of course, Pro Max. And those ones are there. Hot top is too small for them. Then you put the bolt, anchor it, anchor it. Okay. So we're over here putting the pipe. Okay, yeah, so those are the foot. Okay, I don't know the words for all these things because apparently the instructions didn't come, the manual didn't come with it being used already. And that's about a few inches. Okay. So it's putting all the foot on the rods while that is still being anchored. So we have all the frames are still going. And now we're putting the stand. One goes up and one goes, it goes inside that thing like belt. Oh, okay, I guess this one is easier. Just put it in. And there you go, pool is almost ready. So far so good, have 20 minutes. So this is how it is with the stands up. So I see some people put brick. They like to put brick like right under, so that way it's like stable, like a flat brick. That way it's more sturdy. Yeah, just gonna arrange the ladder. These are instructions for the ladder. So we got the ladder like that. It's a nuts and the bolts, whatever they call them. This is the ladder. Now inside A to number 3, inside B to number 3, and do the same on the other end. That goes in there. You probably have this in your boxes, so let's get into it. So went ahead and put that bolt in that, and that screw rather, whatever this one is, the screw cap, and that's going there. So put the filter and we screw the thing in it. I think it's 2 holes for these filters. What cover? Okay. Okay, so that. Yeah, almost like mini filters. Okay. Hopefully that is right. So, and then the cord is gonna be plugged now. And voila. So guys, that's the main setup. Now we just have to open up the filter. Okay, so we need to change the filter, guys. That's what the filter is. We need to change it. So, but anyway, when you unscrew it, you put that and then you screw it back on. That's how the filter works. So I'm gonna put in the whole water and check it out tomorrow. Okay, so that's the cover. It actually came with the cover. We had to get the underground tap from Harbor Freight. We couldn't get a heavy duty on the size we want, so we got the light duty. And that is how it is to cover it. We're just gonna run the water, put some water in it, and then leave it until later. That is what it looks like with the water in it.
Yeah. See now, I'm gonna get lost in the water right now.
Yeah.
All right, are you ready?
If you like, enter and don't come out.
All right. right, let's go.
Oh my goodness, somebody's still letting out. So what we did is we put some stones under. How many inches by this? Probably 5 by 5 or 6. We put it under each of the stands. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and then see you in our next video. Bye.